Hey, what's up, Bitcoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another latest debate video about Bitcoin. Guys, what's going on in the Bitcoin? What's the price changes occur in the Bitcoin? Let me show you these all things clear in this short video. But if you're new on my channel, if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, so please click the subscribe button right now for more latest news and update videos about Bitcoin in the market, guys. Let's start the video without wasting any time. Unfortunately, very badly the market crashed in the market, very badly. But right now Bitcoin are highly pumping in the market. Now the pump time of Bitcoin is starts now, guys. So you can see here in the start of this video, after 1 minute I saw the 23,000 price, but right now 24,025 cents. That's the current price of. And still, guys, still it is a short time profit opportunity if you want to buy Bitcoin. So buy now BTC coin, because I'm 100% sure that it's going to the moon, guys. Trading volume, you can see here, people are buying, still people are buying 102.54%. The trading volume of Bitcoin is positive. So highly now people are investing in a Bitcoin, guys. It's really best time to make a huge profit with the Bitcoin, guys. You can see here now BTC are continuously pumping. Just let me show you the price chart of Bitcoin. The dump is over. Now the pump it start, guys. Bitcoin pump starts now. You can see here the price of Bitcoin is start from 23,000. 22. Oh my god. But right now it's going to hit $23,000, guys. So now it's going to the moon, guys. Very congratulations to all Bitcoin holders. If you want to buy, so it's still best time to buy Bitcoin, and just hold for a short time, you will make huge profit.